Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your stickers transparent. So I just selected this random video and I'm just going to add on like these glasses, for instance. They're not transparent, but I want the look to be transparent. I'm just gonna put it on her and it looks a bit distorted. That's fine. It's gonna work for like the whole glasses, so like don't expect just the lenses to be transparent because I still don't really know how to do that yet. But I'm just going to simply right click on the sticker, create compound clip, and then I'll just go to blend mode and select the blend mode I want. Maybe this one, like as you can see, only deletes the like color part of the opacity. Well, I guess this is a way to do it. We can also like adjust the opacity here, but I think that was the best way. You're just going to adjust the blend mode to make it see-through. And for this example, this green one is the best for it. So just select this one for this sticker. But if you have another sticker, for instance, you can choose like another, I guess, blend mode for it just to match it. And that is it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!